So we're down to removing the crossover. The crossover that says here, oh, assembled in Mexico. So made in USA, assembled in Mexico. No, we're not going to go there and start the whole Donald Trump thing. Alright, so now we're going to find out where each of the screws are. We have one there, one there, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we got these 3 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I'll show you the other ones after. There should be 3 more on the outside. But let's go ahead and take those 6 out of this extremely dusty unit. I was asked if you have to have your ESD strap when you're taking these things out. It would be better. It's not necessary, but it would be better. Normally I would even have this under a hood. It would also clear out all the dust for me. Never know what type of vulnerable disease you might capture. Okay. Alright, so we got one last screw here. Okay, so those 6 have been removed, and we have now the 3 that I talked to you about earlier. There's going to be 1, 2, those are sitting in between your RCA inputs, and then 1 right above your AC power input. So we'll go ahead and take those out. And the last one. And that was your last one there. So, nothing should be holding this in place now. And it can go free.